Okay. Hello everyone. My name is Hindarsah. I'm from Pasundan University. Me with Adi Supratro from University Pembangunan Negeri Veteran and Avinas Pawar from Pune University, India. The title is Applying Grid Action of Blue Ocean Strategy to Business Model Canvas in Innovation of Business Model for University Business Incubator in West Java. This research I will divide it to 6 parts. First, introduction and research question, literature review, research method, result and discussion, and conclusion. So I will start to introduction. That business model innovation is something that needs to be done by various business entities today. So that's why they need of business innovation to win the competition in the advance of the technology era. So it can influence to change of the customer behavior because they need good or services quickly. Also for MSMEs must adjust to meet customer need. One of the object West Java have the more than 4.5 million unit of MSMEs. And then, so that's why business incubator as a service provider assistant for MSMEs. Business incubator needs a business model. Also for University Business Incubator of West Java, established in 2020, design BMC, remake existing BMC, grid action of Blue Ocean strategy, like the eliminate, reduce, rise, and create. And then research question, how the grid in the Blue Ocean strategy can be applied by business incubator institution in West Java to produce new canvas business model innovation that can be applied by business incubator institution. And then the third, literature review and the theoretical framework. Here is a business incubator. I was taken by several theories like the European Commission's, Martis, and the others. And then what they provide, expenses, services, and business operation for the client to make the client's business can develop both information, capital, networking, and technology. So BI have business model as a working framework. And then the second one, business model theoretical, like I refer to Teach, Fuller, and then the others. And then BMC theories developed by Oswalder and Pigner that describe the business plan model in one illustrative document mapping of several components. There are 9 components, namely customer segment, value propositions, channel, customer relationship, revenue streams, key resources, key activities, key partnership, and cost structure. This is refer me and friend Hindarsah Puranto Pridin Fahrudin 2020. This is the theoretical of the Blue Ocean strategic. It was taken by Kim and Moberg and Kim. It's a strategic term coined by Kim and Moore. We have the 4 grid, reduce, create, rise, and eliminate. And then a research method, qualitative method, case study, BMC of West Java, UBI, data collection technique, observation, focus group discussion, and unstructured interviews. Result and discussion, the establishment of UBI to implement government policies, the establishment assisted by an international nonprofit organization from the Netherlands named the PUM, Programma Withstanding Meneher. Step establishment, mapping of institution, follow-up stake with their respective institution, whether the relevant tertiary institution agree or not, and informity of the incubator business model. And then business model of UBI, agree use BMC. The difference is functional function between MSME and the incubator will make the elements in the component of the canvas business model difference, so that innovation is needed to map the elements needed in each component of the block. Here it is. 9 block, and then ordinary enterprise. First, customer segment, mass market, or segmented market. UBI eliminate mass market elements and raise customer segmentation in the more segmented ones in the university's environment. These include entrepreneurial program students, student participating in entrepreneurship course, lectures, and staff entering retirement period, and alumni who have the business that need to be developed. The second value proposition, value of product or program. UBI raise the value of a product element and create a value of program because UBI, a startup or SMEs driving institution, as a value that wants to offer not only on the product but also become a provider of working and co-working space and funding access. Third, a channel, face-to-face Bazar Expo, telephone, and fax and internet. UBI reduce a fax channel because they are no longer relevant to the era and rise the social media channel, also create direct channel such as a campus cooperation and use of face-to-Bazar channel. For customer relationship, making good relation with customers. UBI creates and rise the relationship with customers such as MSMEs or startup that become tenants. And then 5, revenue stream, product selling. UBI eliminates product selling and make a program to get revenue streams, namely share equity of the foster MSMEs, government grant program, and higher education institution budget. And the 6, key resources, production tool, raw materials, places, and human resources. UBI reduce the element of the key resources that are now following the needs of the incubator and rise the focus on resource incubator that are more intellectual capital owned by human and building resources as a facility for tenants. And the 7, key activities. The efficiency of the human resources, production strategic, product diversification, customer compliant services. UBI eliminate the activities carried out by the company and create incubator functional activities such as mentoring activities, bridging the need of startup with the large cooperation to create market and network for startup, evaluating incubator periodic programs to make activities better. And then 8, key partnership, the designer, artist, supplier, government, and competitors. UBI eliminate irrelevant partner and create relation with a more relevant partner for sustainability incubator, such as a college management, startup that become tenants, Kemenristek or Education Ministry, the Indonesian Business Incubator Association, alumni, large cooperation that are partnered and local community. And the last, cost structure, production cost, place cost, human resources cost, and marketing cost. UBI eliminate irrelevant elements by allocating the cost structure to the incubator activities, such as activities in the incubator stage, manager, assistant, and coach fees, operational cost of building, and other activities in the incubator. And then we also combine the component of BMC of UBR, our customer segment, student entrepreneurship programs, entrepreneurship students, lecturers, and staff who will enter retirement, alumni, business that want to be developed. Second one, the value proposition, elements, working, then co-working, space provider, funding, access network. Third channel, direct, bazaar, and college cooperation, indirect, telephone, and social media. Fourth, customer relationship, build comfortable relationship with the MSMEs or tenant startups. Revenue stream, it is the 5 block, obtained through managed tenants such as share equity, payment of the rent from tenants, a government grant program, or a higher education institution budget. 6, key resources, intellectual capital, human resources, and working space. 7, key activities, elements, various coaching assistant activities like activities bridging the need of the startup and large cooperation to create market and networks for startups, periodic evaluation of IB programs. Key partner as a block, university management, startups, students, Kemenristek Dikti or education ministry, Association of Business Incubator Indonesia, alumni, local citizen, society, large cooperation that supports startup development. And the last cost structure, pre-incubation, incubation and post-incubation activities, manager, assistant, and coach fees, activities outside the incubator stage, room rent and energy expenses involved, apprenticeship and marketing activities outward. And then conclusion, we have to part the difference in function between business and company incubators is necessary to innovate different business model with companies. And then the last one, blue ocean strategy can be a way to modify the Canvas business model to make it more adaptable for business incubators. It helps to design business model innovation by using the eliminate, reduce, rise, and create grid to create new values in the model business for business incubator. Thank you for your attention and good luck. Salma. Coba lihat. Nantilah besok dulu nanti. Ini teh harus loading dulu kan, jadi nggak bisa langsung lihat berapa menitnya.